Right, in chapter 1, we looked at how to describe histograms. So we looked at whether they were uniform, symmetric, or skewed. We're going to do the same thing with box plots. And the way I'm going to kind of introduce this is we're actually going to pair up the histogram with the box plot and kind of see how we can compare them. All right, so I have set of pictures here for you. And the first one we're going to look at is that uniform distribution. So uniform distribution is flat across the top in a histogram. And in a box plot, what that means is that both of the pieces of the box are the same size, as well as the whiskers. So all 4 parts, the 2 whiskers and the boxes, are all roughly the same length. Let's see, a symmetric distribution is next. So a symmetric one is the one where you can fold it in the middle and it makes a mirror image of itself. And you have 2 parts that are the same here. So in a symmetric one, both of the boxes need to be roughly the same. And separately, both of the whiskers need to be about the same length. Right, the last one is a skewed distribution. And so in a skewed distribution, you have one side that trails off. And the same thing is going to happen with your box plot. So you have one part of the box and one of the whiskers is going to be a whole lot longer than the other one. And that's how you know that the box plot is skewed. Then as far as right and left skew, the pictures you have here, the box plot is laying horizontally along the bottom of the screen. And so it's really easy to tell if the right whisker is longer, it's right skewed. And if the left whisker is longer, it's left skewed. If the box plot is standing upright, like it does in Excel, then the way that we tell is if the upper whisker is longer, it's right skewed. So that's where the bigger values are. And if the lower whisker is the longer one, then it is left skewed.